Hey, so the plan is for today that we're going to be working on blue. Now, a while ago, I put LEDs in my headlights, not regretting it or anything. However, when you do that, typically you'll get a bulb, a resistor, which goes between the bulb and the main power source. And when I hooked that up, I kind of did it funny. I thought it would be a great idea to use Velcro strips on my resistors. For those of you that don't know, resistors heat up. They want to take some of the charge away so that way the bulbs work properly in a vehicle. As LEDs, they require a little bit less energy, and it messes with the vehicle sometimes. For example, mine, when I did not have the load resistors, my fog lights did not work at all, and it would actually, my fog light switch would turn on my high beams, so kind of weird. Anyways, I'm going to be mounting them again using screws this time, as well as probably taking apart the left box over here, as when it fell, it yanked the wires a bit, and so now it kind of flickers sometimes. So we'll be doing that today.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently.
I'm going to be pulling the battery out, so I'm taking out the headlight. Unscrew this and then lift this tab. This one you'll have to take the screw out and then lift this tab. Another one right here and another screw right here.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start.
So I got all the holes drilled out. On the side right here, I only got one of them. However, I think that'll do just fine, so I'm gonna rock with it. I got some nail polish setting the holes so that way it doesn't rust over and corrode. My headlights were flickering sometimes. Well, because the resistors fell there, I guess it disconnected some of the wires, so I'll have to take some more of this apart just to solder it back together, and then I'm thinking about hot gluing just on the seams, and just so that way they stay in this time. However, I'm not 100% sure because I think that could maybe melt again. But, with me mounting them and everything, they're not going to be getting pulled anymore, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do it just to, try to waterproof it anyway. But, other than that, I think I'm going to start taking these guys apart, see if I can fix some of the wires that got pulled out. And if that goes well, then hopefully I'll be done within the next half hour. So, yeah, let's do it.
When my future needed clarity, yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune.
So I just finished all the wiring. I'll show you how it went. I think I did pretty decent. So as I was saying before, it goes from the power source to the resistor, then into the light for an LED setup. Everything I think tucks away nice. This guy's mounted pretty good. I don't feel like that or the other one is going to go anywhere. And then I inverted my boot. Usually this piece here is sticking in. I inverted it so that way I still have like a little bit more water protection, but at the same time the heat sink on the LED is not going to like melt it. This one over here is a little bit harder to see, and you can basically see over there in the corner that they connect down there, they run around into the resistor. Now this guy I got actually running zip tie on the front there. There was so much sheet metal right there that I really didn't feel like drilling through all of it, so I drilled on this side, added an extra spacer, and then I have that being tucked over by the zip tie there. Then it runs up and we're into the light. So it all went pretty well. Long story short, if you're gonna convert your headlights to LEDs, mount the resistors properly. It'll save you a lot of time and hassle if they fall and happen to get snagged, kind of like mine did.